Yeah. So you have people who run the track all around, you understand? Because the walkway, it go all around, you see it, and you can, you understand, ascend the mount by going around it. Or you cheat the game like me and you cut across it. See it? Yeah, so I cut across it. But yeah, Daddy Gargan, I just want to show off my park while I look away. You see it, cause I don't know if you have another kind of mountain here in a field park. But anyway, somebody did ask me in my comment section if them mountain here, if I some prehistoric mountain them, you see it? But no. You see over the place where I show the them over Wembley. Yeah. You see all of them mountain here, you know, are some man-made mountain them, you see it? Yeah, they were constructed. And yeah, they were constructed by using the material from the deconstruction of the old Wembley Stadium, you see it? And some other buildings around the stadium, you see me? So just debris from the old Wembley Stadium, them used to make them mountain, you see it? And the motorway over on the other side, you see the mountain them kind of serve as a nice buffer between the motorway and the community where, you understand, they over on the side, you see it? Yeah. So I hope say that answer the question the way the person might ask, you see it? So I go hold a little seat up and we hold a little reasoning, you see me? Alright. So yeah, my people, it's a little tour of the park, you know, and you just want to hold a little reason with the item same way. So as me always say, yeah man, welcome to the channel, and we hope say everyone is out here doing well, you see it, and give thanks to everybody who has subscribed to the channel, and you understand, commenting in the comment section, and you understand, help with grow the platform and then kind of thing, you see it? Yeah. So we see it say the peace deal in Iran kind of get call off, you see it, and missiles start to fire again and war machine them out again, you see it? And we see Uncle Donald look like him might listen to he might listen to the crowd, and he can't take the tout in because people are say he might lose the war and then kind of sitting there, you see it? And why me I talk about the war in Iran? How it have anything to do with us, you see it? Because it have a lot to do with we, you know, you see me? And if you don't notice, China set up shop at Jamaica, and them send out a statement where them say them down there for defend Chinese investment in Jamaica. And it's a serious statement that them put out, you see it? I don't know how much of the item follow the news still, you see it? And here we go on, you know. You see the old place where you hear them talk about the Strait of Hormuz. The place they are one vital place in terms of, you understand, economic transaction. You see me I say when it come on to oil trade. You see me I say? So Trump went kind of hold off the strait one at a time. But it really cost him for hold off the strait. You see it? It really costly for him man the safe, the strait, and have security right there, so 24. You understand? Because one, they're vulnerable. You understand? And the next thing, them what them a try, it now work. See? Because what them a try to do is stifle Iran economically. You see it? So them, you understand? Them have no way to make money per se from the strait. You see it? But what they can do is stop China and stop India from buy oil from Iran. You see it? So economically, it now work for America. You see it? Because they can stop India and China. Because you see it? Them run through one different system. You see me I say when them talk about the BRIC system and everything. You see it? So America can blockade for them money or for them spending and then kind of sitting there. So Iran still a benefit from the strait economically. You see it? So watch you now. Jamaica go be one proxy place. You see it? Because China have one whole heap of investment in a Jamaica. You see it? All of them highway there and all of the road them where you see are construct. You see it? That them things are Chinese investment, a Chinese business them there. Apart from the other rest of, you understand, goods and service what they offer. See? So look out. One whole heap of little proxy go they go and round the place and you understand, then go sabotage some little sitting and I saw us go get involved in a some sitting because America and China, you understand, the dragon and the eagle, you understand, then go have one whole heap of little proxy sitting where they go and where they go they try to sabotage each other things and then go one for, you understand, twist for we leaders and put behind them back and then kind of sitting there, you see it? But Jamaican people have to stand up and make sure say on a demand, you understand, on a demand every detail of all of the deals where the government has sign up. You understand, and make sure say we there in a one safe place, so you understand, we no become just what you call now casualty of war and then kind of sit there, you see it? So yeah, I just that a the little thing when me see the broke in our country and you understand, me just feel like I say something what might affect we one certain kind of way. So me feel like I say we pay attention to it what they go on and make sure say we not get caught up in a one sitting where we don't have no control or no, you understand, no power over about we there in a big light, you see me? So Jamaican people, yeah man, a time for we make sure say we into whatever decision the government them make, you see it, we have to be a part of it, you see it? So we know exactly what going on, you see it, because we don't want no surprises and then kind of sit there, you see it? But me know say something a broke, because if something then they broke, the Chinese them wouldn't come set up shop and put out a statement there and then kind of thing, you see it? So yeah, when people make we watch out and make we see what go on, and you understand, we don't want to get caught up in a day, you understand, proxy war, and we don't want it to reach where them are used with people them for sabotage other people business and we get involved in becoming, you understand, pawns in the activities, you see it? So I think kind of sitting there we just want to make people them have a heads up and know what go on, you see it? So in the meantime, when I go and bless up on yourself, take care of yourself, just a quick one, you see it? Rastafari bless.